Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Today we have this beautiful 16-foot food truck that we are shipping out to Montana. Let's check out its many features. We start on the inside today just because the outside is a little chilly. Right up here is the plumbing unit that has the 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink, the water tanks, and the water heater. Now you'll notice that wherever there is a gap, we have filled that in with caulk, made sure that water does not get in between. Also, there is a splash guard between the hand wash sink and the 3-compartment sink. Of course, there's a shelf on top. Soap dispenser, towel dispenser, refrigerator. All equipment, of course, are mounted to the floor with washers. And all equipment stays 6 inches above the ground to make sure they're compliant with code. So you can put a broom underneath or like a mop underneath and clean it. Right next to that is a freezer, small work table, another table. That is the fresh water tank that you're looking at. Of course, the ABC fire extinguisher. That's the K series fire extinguisher. That is the egress in this food truck. Right up there is the junction box. As with all our trucks, every piece of equipment has its own breaker. It's not been labeled yet, but it will be soon. Fire suppression system is of course labeled and tagged. You'll notice all the wiring is inside conduits, not inside the walls. The idea is that the walls of the truck, they flex when they drive and chafe it. This of course prevents that. Plus it's easy to access that as well. Sandwich prep. Oh, before that, the generator box, which we make it into a work table, nice work table, so we can do all your prep there if you want to. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. Sandwich prep, steam table. This one's electric. Under that is the chef base. Two fryers, each of them 2 baskets, and a griddle. It's not just a griddle, it's a range, so there is the oven right under that. And of course a 2-burner stove. You'll see all the walls are stainless steel, and inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood. Forgot to show you this one. This is the self-closing window. You lift it, pass your product, and it closes by itself. Let's go see outside. And this, of course, started out as a 16-foot Freightliner diesel truck. There's a shelf, outside shelf for the service window. That's how you fill the water. The outside access door. Truck's not been wrapped yet, but it will be. Customer decided to do that themselves. So we'll ship it and they will wrap it themselves. That of course is the generator, which you'll notice is in a nice tray. That's the shore power plug-in. Of course, you'll notice the hood on top. Sorry, hood fan on top, my bad. Beautiful 16-foot food truck that we are shipping out. If you have any questions, or if you would like one like this yourself, do contact us through our website, zinefoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.